Hey there, what's going on everybody? This is Daxon here with QuickDigitalFiles.com. So I want to go over this plugin we have developed called here in your WordPress menu. It's called Category Compass. And this is our main page. I have our settings, our running, everything all in one page, as well as the recommendations to make it a much simpler flow. So this works off of your Open AI API key that you can grab over, like you can go to Google and search OpenAI API key, and you can set that up if you use OpenAI, which seems like so many people do anymore, especially if you have websites and things, and you want to get a key, save it here, and then you'll save settings. It'll save it, but it'll never show it. It'll just say, hey, a key has been saved. Leave this blank to keep it. If you ever need to update it, you can add it in and resave it. Right here, I have the monthly cap set at 20 cents, which will get you much further than you think. You can set that at whatever you want. You can also allow this to process X amount of posts per day. About 25 is normal. So that way, like it says, it keeps the server load small. You can also change the existing category confidence and new category confidence. These are numbers of how confident you want this system to feel, because one, what this does is it's going to go through your posts one at a time and help match with categories you have on your website and recommend, hey, this would be good in this category. This would be good in this category. Also, if you might be missing a category, it's also going to be scanning for that, which is the new category confidence. So it's going to say if it finds a group of posts, which would be 5 with the settings, it needs the confidence above 94 out of 100% basically to say, yeah, we have a new category that we recommend you need on your website. Would you like to add it? That's kind of how this is going. And then the maximum post characters sent. This helps it not scan the entire post, especially if you have really, really long content, which will help keep your overall cost down. Now, I do have this set, like I showed, 20 cents per 30 days is the most it will do, and then it'll automatically pause. It also tells you your API requests, how many have been processed today. And once you click start, it'll continue running even if you close your website. It's going to always consistently keep running well within the settings. And then here it shows, okay, it scanned 2 posts out of 481 posts, which is about 0.4% of the website. So it is somewhat on the slow. It's processing a lot of things and it's trying to keep your costs down. It also now shows your progress will refresh every 20 seconds. You can also refresh the page if for some reason it's not auto recommending these when it finds them. We do have that in the new version, but sometimes with if you have slow internet or your server's slow, things like that, it might get a little bit of a delay, just as it well can do with any plugin. Now we see it has showed us one existing category match, and its confidence that it matches is 92%. So we can see this. It also has this to, hey, you can open the post. So we have a post called American Christian Decorative Pillow on this website. And it's saying, hey, we think this will fit in your Christian gifts and products category. It says it's a faith-based home decor item meant to show Christian beliefs as a product or a gift. So of course it is correct on this, and we'll just click yes, add to category if we agree, and it's going to go ahead and add that category to that post. If we don't like it, we can click dismiss. So we're going to go ahead and click add to category. And then our page reloads and we can see that we have tabs down here now, and it shows the ones that we applied. We can click on the done tab and it shows, hey, this is the one you just did, the most recent one, the American Christian Decorative Pillow, and it put it in this category, and also the one I did earlier. If you ever want to later on say, hey, I didn't mean to click that, you can also click roll back and it will remove that post from that specific category, which again, your categories I'm talking about is found up here in the posts and then categories on WordPress. If you ever denied one and think later, hey, maybe that could have fit in there, we can find those here and we can add them anyway. Our pending is always going to be here. Again, this will consistently and constantly run in the background of your website. And I think I've pretty well covered everything. It's really simple of how it's set up, pretty well ready out of the box, besides adding your OpenAI API key so AI can run through and do the heavy lifting, working well with this plugin on your website. Let's see if I'm missing anything. I don't think I am. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, though, leave them in the comments of this video. If you got this plugin from our website, which is again quickdigitalfiles.com, if you have found any bug or you're having problems with it, or you have an idea for one of our plugins, we have quite a few on our website. Let us know. We're always ready to do our best to update things. We thoroughly test things to make sure there are no bugs. But if you have any ideas for new updates for any of our plugins or things like that, we're always happy to listen to your suggestions and go from there. But yeah, again, quickdigitalfiles.com. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye. And right here now, I'm just gonna go through some so you can kind of see work in progress. Story of faith and home decor, Christian gifts and products. Looks good. Add to category. Christian babies. Add. Bible study. Add. And you can also watch, if you've noticed, this confidence level is slowly going down. It starts with the highest confidence first. The confidence level is basically just the confidence level of AI, which is not human, but is saying how confident it is and thinking this is a good match or not. Which we had recently on this website only had one category, like I said, and just added a bunch of new categories recently. So there's going to be a ton of suggestions right off the get-go. It shows we have 40 waiting. And again, we can go to the Done tab. If we want to roll back any of those, you can click that back and it's going to remove it. Pretty easy.